Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2021 GMC Yukon AT4. This vehicle comes in an onyx black exterior color, 4-door sport utility, seats 7 in a jet black interior color. This vehicle carries a 5.3 liter V8 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission with a 4-wheel drivetrain. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now, we have the blind spot indicator on your side mirror, power lock controls, power folding side mirrors, and power windows. You have your 2 memory seat options. This vehicle comes with the Bose Infotainment System with your 2 storage compartments down at the bottom. Black leather along the door panel with a tan accent. Both front seats are powered in a perforated black leather with the AT4 stitch in the headrest. Lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel, you have your drive mode selector. Lane keeping assist, park assist, auto off. This will turn on your power ports. Traction control with your inclination as well. Heads up display controls. Black leather wrap steering wheel. You have your gap adjustment as well as heated steering, cruise control, all of your menu selection and voice command as well. This vehicle is push to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with the digital center. Fully touchscreen infotainment system. You have a backup camera with your guidelines. You have your trailering package as well. AM, FM radio station. Subscribe to Sirius XM as well. Bluetooth capability with USB. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your trailering options. Spotify My GMC with touchscreen climate control. You can access your camera feed as well with Amazon and Sirius XM. Underneath you have your manual controls, your climate control, rear climate control, as well as your heated and air-cooled front seats. USB port and power banks. Nice big wireless phone charging station. It's even big enough for a small iPad or of such sorts. 2 cup holders. You have your center console here with the 2 cup holders in the back. Nice large storage compartment. This can slide back and forth or just come out if you please. Extra USB port. Rear view mirror. Up top, you have your universal garage opener, trunk opener for how much you want, overhead lighting with your seat folding. You can have your sunroof and moonroof controls as well. Illuminated vanity mirror with your sun visor for the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Handle grips on either side of the vehicle. This vehicle comes with a nice dual sunroof for everyone to enjoy. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 20-inch GMC rims on all-season tires. Color match side mirror with an integrated turn signal. Keyless entry color matched handle grips. Side steps on either side of the vehicle. Capless gas tank. Chrome badging along the vehicle, rear parking sensors with backup camera, rear wiper blade. You have your button up here for your rear window if you have long things to put in the back. You also have your powered trunk, fully carpeted rear trunk space. Storage compartment with your blockier cord. Access to the 60-40 split 3rd row seats. Rear power folding You can collapse your second row as well. Power bank on the left-hand side. You have your button up top. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your black leather door panel with a tan accent. Storage compartments and Bose sound system down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the jet black leather. You have your captain's chairs with armrests. Seat controls is on the side. Climate control, heated seat with USB and power banks at the rear of the center console. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Access to the dual sunroof, overhead lighting, and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of carpeted mats. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle, you have black trim around the windows, AT4 badging along the side, LED headlights with fog lights, front parking sensors, red tow hitches down at the bottom with your front camera underneath the GMC badge, and as well you have your shark fin antenna above the driver's side seat. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.